Good morning. So I'm just getting ready, and there's some people that's been asking me about how I do my lashes. So I'm gonna make a quick video for you because I have these lashes that have been used and abused, and that's what I usually do. The lashes that I have been used a lot, and they're kind of a little funky. Then cut them. So I'll show you what I do. Kids get out early today because there's parent-teacher meetings, so I have to make this quick. I'm trying something new. Okay, so if you don't have access to a hair store or whatever, I'm gonna say to go to, oh come on, go to CVS. Sorry for the boobage. I'm gonna say go to CVS and get yourself some Duo. I like the clear one. Some people like the dark one, but this is what I usually use on my eyelashes. So what I'm gonna do is take it's a whole strip of lashes, and like I said, they've been used, girl. Look at them. But there's no reason to chuck them when I can use them to show you. So if you go buy, let's say even a dollar store eyelash, okay? These aren't dollar store, these are Kiss Lashes, number 11. But you can also buy half lashes for the same purpose, but because I wear full lashes, you can't purchase half lash. That you can. So what I'm gonna do is take the lash. You're gonna measure it. And this is okay. Measure it there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're basically almost cutting it in half. You're cutting like a quarter off of it. Okay. So I'm gonna end up cutting these caca pieces off. So we're gonna take that. But who cares, right? You gotta do what you gotta do. So here we go. So I'm gonna take the shorter end, depending on what lashes you have. If you're gonna do a half lash, I would advise you to get a lash that is like shorter to longer, and then cut the longest part off and use the shorter for here. Let me zoom you in so you could see better, because I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. All close up and personal. Yeah, let's look at all the closeness of my wrinkles. Yes, yeah, girl, got the wrinkles. So what I did already was I took a mascara, and I basically went with the edge of it all around. So this is like mascara, and I caught these little tiny hairs here, and you'll see what I do. So I'm gonna take this like so. Blow it. It's so easy, guys. Maybe it's because, I don't know, it does take a minute to get used to, but so now you have the half lash. Now I'm going to place it. Okay, for me it's easy because I could do this. See that? So it's easy for me to be like, and like look at my eye. For people who can't do that, I would advise you to go like this and then just place it right, like looking up in the mirror with your head back, and just place it right where you want it, as close to the lash line as possible. So you just place it there. It's already sticky, and then you just move it. I'm gonna try not to get it too like connecting on my lash, because I really don't know how good this is gonna stick. And then you just kind of maneuver it. You do a little yoga. Can you see? Do a little yoga. And boom. There it is. It's a half lash. So now I'm gonna go and do the other one. Same thing. Here's this. I'm gonna cut 2 off. Put that glue up on there. Where'd it go? Okay.
Did it? Say my name.
Not your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Didn't wanna get your up, but like some funny old friends. How that was when I just doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted. How that was like real talk, back that shit up. Won't you say my, so won't you say my name?
Say my name.
If you claim you want me, it ain't no good. You ain't gotta say. Why you been calling me baby? Boy, you can go stop playing games.
Okay, so now I'm gonna take my mascara again with the edge of it. And hit these corners. See that? So it, like, you know, because you want it to blend. You want the inside, because you're not putting the lash here, you're putting it here. And this way of doing lashes, to me, it really makes your eyes look like, you know what I mean? So that's all she, yeah. Shout out to Giovanna. Giovanna been asking, along with other people who've been asking, that, you know, Mel, we need a eyelash tutorial. The lashes that I like to use, hold on, are sparsed. I just like them. I feel like they look more natural. And I use Kiss 11's, number 11. Can you see that? Those. I also use number, I forgot the other number. I usually just use the number 11's, and the one that I just used, and these ones are 615s by Kiss. These are the ones I have on right now, 615s. I really like these ones. I don't have to cut them. They aren't too long. They come from short to long, and I think I personally like them. So yeah, that is my lash tutorial. Pretty soon kids are coming home, like I said, about 20 more minutes. I'm just cleaning up the house, and then later on I have to go to parent-teacher meeting. Yes. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll catch you on the flip side. By the way, don't forget to sub to the MelFam channel so that you can see the whole family. Know what I'm saying? Okay. I have to go paint my other hand now. I gotta paint these fingers. Yeah, I know. I was slacking. And now I put my glasses on because, oh, by the way, your girl is going to the eye doctor on Saturday. I may be getting myself some contacts. Yes. So stay tuned for that. Bye-bye.